In spring of this year, the Florida Department of Transportation, in partnership with the Broward Metropolitan Planning Organization, completed the Northwest 21st Avenue Mobility Improvement Bridge Replacement Project in the cities of Oakland Park, Fort Lauderdale, and Tamarack at a construction cost of $6.8 million. Completed project improvements include demolition and replacement of the Northwest 21st Avenue Bridge over the C-13 Canal in the city of Oakland Park, widening of the roadway to accommodate bike lanes, milling, resurfacing, and drainage improvements, mast arm signalization installation and improvements at Northwest 39th Street and Northwest 44th Street, pedestrian signalization and American with Disabilities Act upgrades, installation of green bike lanes, signage, and pavement markings. The project was in partnership with the Broward MPO, following the Complete Streets concept. The concept enhances bicycle and pedestrian safety and mobility to better benefit the cities of Oakland Park, Fort Lauderdale, Tamarack, adjacent property owners, residents, and local commuters. The project eliminated the corridor's two-way turn lane and replaced it with medians and dedicated turn lanes to prevent illegal passing. Buffered bike lanes were installed to enhance pedestrian mobility. The original bridge was constructed in 1954 and was determined to be structurally sound but functionally obsolete. The new bridge meets current structural standards, but also current functional standards because it can support bike lanes and sidewalks to maintain uninterrupted pedestrian connectivity throughout the corridor. For more information on this project, please contact the following: FDOT Project Manager Matthew May at 954-940-7519 or Community Outreach Specialist Justina Hicklin at 954-940-7585.